Isang beses pa lang natatalo ang Arellano University dito sa season 94. After starting the tournament with 7 straight wins, sila ay natalo sa isang 5-setter kontra sa San Beda University. Pero pinapahirapan sila ng Lady Altas dito sa game number 1. At susubukan nilang tapusin ang laban na to with a win here in set number 4.
Into the block.
Yan po ang mga highlights ng set number 3 kung saan nanaig ang Perpetual 25-21. Coach Maki Carino. Sanay na maging underdog itong si Coach Mac.
Actually, Anton, mas madali talaga na maglaro bilang underdog dahil ang pressure laging nasa kalaban. Pero ito, they're not only playing like a team that's more hungry or hungrier than the opponent. They are playing true to form and they are outplaying the Lady Chiefs. In the first set, merong nervousness. Ramdam mo eh. Pero nung lumuwag na at bumalik na sila sa usual rhythm nila, you find them, especially sa net defense, able to contain yung efficiency ng opensa ng Lady Chiefs. But the most important thing, walang 12 errors in the last 2 sets. In fact, in total nilang pagkakamali in the last 2 sets, equalizes yung errors nila na nangyari sa first set. Better offense, more solid defense, 1 set advantage, Lady Altas. But the Lady Chiefs, they have to respond right now here in the fourth set.
Into the block.
Grabe talaga yung pag-step up itong rookie na to mula sa General Santos City na si Nins Suico. Habang pinapanood ko siya sa kanilang laban kontra sa CSB, sinabi ko sa sarili ko, saan ang galing to? And she is making a name for herself here in the finals of season 94.
Kadalasan naman, Anton, dyan talaga nagkakaroon ng big names yung mga players. Kasi ito yung spotlight eh. This is the biggest stage here this season. And the heat is on the moment you step on the playing court and play in the finals. Dahil ito nagkakaroon ng distinction eh. Yung champions or pretenders or just mere contenders. Daming manlalaro na hindi nakatikim ng kampyonato sa kanilang career. Nakabuan ng kanilang koleyo.
Dito rin sa finals, nakilala si Regina Rocha.
Correct. Finals MVP last year ito. Huwag kalimutan yung prominent names sa kanila. Jovi Prado. Leanne Mesguera.
Si Jovi naman, finals MVP yung season 92.
Oo, sila Shirley Salamagos, CJ Rosario, Denise Galang, mga fighting warais. At let's see if Arellano will play more loose in their bid to stay alive. 2 straight points para sa kanila. Lamang sila ng isa, 2-1.
Gual. Oh, bitin. Pero sabi ni Gual, kasalanan niya.
Alam mo yung huling pasa niya kay Cindy Imbo dun sa third set. Not exactly dun sa best spot na gusto ni Cindy Imbo. Kaya lang, sa windmill na atake ni Cindy Imbo, sobra talaga yung contact sa bola. Arellano, once again, as they started out in the previous set with a 3-0 lead. Ngayon, lamang naman na 3-1.
Ooh, service error para kay Regina Rocha. Hindi na, masakit din yung kanyang service error sa dulo.
Sa dulo na naghahabol sila.
Do or die set para sa Arellano University. Game 1 pa lang ng finals, nakakaramdam na ng kompetisyon ang Lady Chiefs.
Right, this is kumbaga turbulence staring at their faces.
Attack error by Perpetual.
4-2 for the Lady Chiefs here in the fourth.
Saka first time this season, Coach Ronnie, na down 2-1 ang Arellano.
Oh, 6 na laro niyan. Sweep eh. 6 na laro. Isang laro 3-1, isang laro 3-2, isang laro talo 2-3. Tapos sabi mo nga, bihirang malalamangan eh. Lalong-lalo sa ganitong parte ng laro. Sanay manalo ng komportable.
Nicole Ebuen, siya yung
Discrimination
binanggit
on
mo
the
kanina,
receive
Coach
by
Ronnie, na
Perpetual.
kailangan mag-step
Right.
up.
She has to score more. She has to get her
Arellano
touches.
5, Perpetual 2.
But for them to be able to attack offensively, yung floor defense nila, kailangan umangat yung level. Even their net defense,
Service
then
Donato.
multiple attackers hurting them. May Umandal, may Versosa, may Suico. Of course, Cindy Imbo.
Gual to Imbo. Na-absorb ang mga Arellano players yung huling palo ni Cindy. Ang
Drop
depensa
goes
ng
in.
Perpetual yung
Point
huling
goes to
atake na
Perpetual.
yun. At ngayon man, balikan natin si Siege Nanteng.
Salamat, Anton. Noong nasa semis, ang Arellano Lady Chiefs with the twice-to-beat advantage, ang kanilang battle cry ay tapusin ang dapat tapusin. Pero ngayon naman, na gusto
For the
nilang
serve,
pahabain
Jonah Rosal.
ang larong ito. Ang sabi nila, kunin natin ang dapat na talagang atin. Paalala ni Coach Obet Javier sa kanyang players, kailangan lang trabahuhin ang kanilang mga blocks para hindi na
Help
sila
ball
hirap
called on
dumibensa.
Arellano.
At dagdag pa niya, kung
Point for
hindi kayo
Perpetual.
mag-regroup at mabawasan ng mga
serving
errors,
five.
mabilis matatapos ang set na ito. Ngayon naman, from the player side, si Micaela Wanich ang nanguna sa pag-motivate ng players sa kanilang
Service
huling huddle. Ang sabi niya, isa-isa, dahan-dahan, kukunin natin ito. Back to you.
Yun ang tiwala ng Arellano
Wanich
Lady Chiefs
sees
sa
the
kanilang
hole.
kakayahan. At syempre, ang kanilang paniniwala, destiny para sa kanila na makasama sa listahan ng mga kupunan na
For
nakapag-3-peat
the serve,
sa
Princess
kasaysayan
Bella.
ng NCAA Women's Volleyball.
Ako nga, Ton.
San Sebastian
Tama.
Perpetual.
Apat daw pang sakali. No? Sa akin nga, para sa akin yung pwedeng feeling sa
Gaviola
finals
with a
is
drop.
Dynasty or Destiny.
Yep.
Kasi talo na eh. Lady Altas natalo pa. Sa kabilang panig naman, ilang sunod-sunod na trip to the finals. And they are the winningest team in the last 5 years. Pero previous to that, ang Lady Altas, tatlong sunod na kampyonato under Coach Samia Kailar. So, nagtagpo na yung dalawang pinakamaraming kampyonato dito sa NCAA in the last decade.
At
Gaviola
nagtataka
with a
ang
drop.
Lady Chiefs kung paano
6
na-diskartehan
all.
ng Perpetual yung huling atake na yon. Panoorin natin sa replay. Chinchin Gual.
Again.
Isang kamay.
Right.
Isang kamay din para kay Umanda.
Oo. At ball
A
watching is
service
not an
Imbo.
option right now. Gual is a very good defender. We talk about floor defense. Matalino na sa opensa, maaasahan mo pang trumabaho at humabol sa bola sa depensa.
Gual. Suico. Pero Chao.
Nice.
Greta Shaw finds a hole.
Chow is a scoring center. She can put points on the board para sa kanila. And let's see if she'll be able to help out Reg Arocha na is trying to
Serve
just inspire the
Nicole
rest of her
Ebuen.
teammates to do more. Imbo so far a total of 13 points. Rosal
Serve
with
goes
12
out.
today.
7
On the flip
all.
side, Arocha with 12. Princess Belly with 7. Where are the rest?
Where's Ebuen?
Right. That's got to hurt because she's the top scorer, the leading scorer for the Lady Chiefs. I believe siya yung nasa
Serving
top 3
Gaviola.
sa scoring ranking. Out of the top hitters likewise.
Siya dapat yung nauna sa scoring para sa Arellano. Arocha. Suico, papalo. Pero Chao. Arocha na naman! And Regine Arocha will get the point. Arellano will head
Goes
into
out.
this technical
First
timeout,
technical
leading Perpetual
timeout. Arellano
8-7.
Perpetual 7.
Isang mainit na laban. Yan ang ating natutunghayan dito sa Phil Oil Flying V Center sa lungsod ng San Juan. Ito ang nangyari bago umabot sa finals ang Arellano at Perpetual.
And the top-seeded teams needed to win only once to make it to the finals. The Chiefs were able to accomplish that laban sa San Beda, winning in 3 straight sets, sweeping last year's runner-up. But on the flip side, ang Lady Altas upending the top-seeded team in the competition. And they had to do it in 4 hours, over 2 matches of course. At sa bilang ko, over
Micaela
200
Wanich
points
for
ang
the serve.
inabot ng laban combined.
Napakatindi.
Mahaba pa sa pelikulang Glass yung kanilang Game 2 ng semis. Ang haba na nun, ha?
Tignan natin kung sino ang mababasag dito sa game number 1 ng
Ooh.
finals. Suico.
Block goes out. Point
Si Suico
for
parang
Perpetual.
nahihiya pa eh.
8-all.
Tuwing nakascore. Parang nagugulat siya na kaya din pala niya na makipagsabayan sa mga veterano sa NCAA.
May Imbo, may Rosal, may Suico. Ang naging problema ng Arellano,
Serving,
pumutok na
may
si
goal.
Imbo nung first set. Siguro 2 beses lang pumuntos yan eh. But in the last 2 sets, Imbo has been on fire. At hindi alam ng Arellano so far kasi nung mamarkahan nila sa dami ng pumupuntos. Oh my, that's got to hurt.
Double
2 straight
called on
points
Arellano.
after
Point for Perpetual.
the first technical timeout.
9-8.
So far, no sign of Rhea Ramirez coming back in.
Miguel for the serve.
January 15. Doon huling nakatikim ng pagkatalo ang Arellano University. Yung 5-set loss nila
San
kontra
Beda,
sa
no?
San Beda.
Oo, San Beda.
January 15. Suico. Berutiao. Arrocha. Berutiao. Donato. Wow.
Umandal blocks
Grabe yung timing
Donato.
ni Umandal.
It's all about effort, especially if you want to win it all against the three-pit-seeking Lady Chiefs. Net defense was there, but previous to that play, makita mo naman kung paano binalik yung bola eh. Puntos na sana yun.
Arellano.
Naalala mo coach si
15
Josh
out,
Umandal?
16 Torres
Oo.
in.
Kapatid ata ni ni
Baka, kamukha ano?
At saka nakita ko si Josh kanina eh.
Baka.
Service
Yung power
one.
hitter ng Uste
Guste.
na dating galing sa UE kung di tayo nagkakamali.
Kapatid ni Shai Umandal.
Laki rin, no?
Arrocha. Shai Umandal. Arrocha na naman. Suico. Imbo. Berutiao. Arrocha. Ang tindi ng net defense ng Lady Altas.
Sobra.
Shai Umandal. Wow. Both these teams really going all out dito sa set number 4. Drop ball. Saved by Arrocha. Berutiao. Tuloy pa rin ang rally. Gual. Back set. Pumunta naman sa back row ang atake ng Lady Altas. Arrocha. Trying to go down the line.
Ball
Sumobra.
goes out.
At tatlo
Perpetual
na ang lamang
11,
ng Perpetual
Arellano
Lady
8.
Altas.
Body pointed to a cross-court hit. Instead, went down the line. Alam niya, walang coverage down the line. But she overshoots the mark to give Lady Altas a
For the
3-point
serve,
cushion.
Miguel.
8-7 kanina yung talaan. This will be 4 straight points after the first technical timeout in favor of Lady Altas.
Imbo. Balik ang bola dito sa Arellano. Berutiao. Arrocha down the line. At sa pagkakataon na yun, sinigurado
through the block.
ni Regine na makakapunto siya.
Porsentuhang pasa coming from Berutiao. Di na bumalasa. One-on-one. Isolated. Rocha wins that battle. First point after giving up 4 straight. Up by 1
Serving,
earlier,
team
now
captain
down
Sara Berutiao.
by 2 points.
Pasok yan para kay Berutiao. Chinchin Gual, binigay kay Suico. At
Suico,
hindi nasalo
down the
ng
line.
maayos ni Buemia ang atake ni Nin Suico.
Mabilis na, malakas pa. Rocha, the numbers, working hard. Wala pa dyan yung ginagawa niya sa depensa. 10, 2, and 2. Total of 14.
Service, Hannah Suico.
But she has to get more support. On the flip side, itong team ng Lady Chiefs, or rather Lady Altas, mas maraming pumupuntos. Dalawa na nasa double digits. And the support role binibigay ni Versosa at ni Suico, napakabigat.
Mahirap kasi basahin yung Perpetual
Imbo
dahil
with a
meron kang
kill.
scouting report kay Cindy Imbo. Napakahirap
13-9
i-stop.
in favor
Pero
of
may mga
Perpetual.
players na umi-step up din. Umandal, Rosal, Suico, gumagawa din. 4 na players. Nakalinya. Hindi na depensahan yung atake ni City.
Service,
Apat
Suico.
na pwedeng pagpalit-palitan ni Gual. Tapos ang tibay ng floor defense nung lahat ng sinasabi natin yan. At si Umandal, ang tibay sa net defense.
Arrocha.
Rocha with a drop.
Sagutan sila ni Cindy Imbo dito.
Previous to that point, mayroon ng 6-1 run. Rather 6-1 run para dito sa team ng Arellano. 8-7 kanina yan.
Regina Rocha.
Rather para sa Lady Altas. Kanina lamang ng 4 at 13-9. Arocha now with 15 points, doing a little bit of everything to salvage this fourth set and keep her team alive.
Imbo has 14. Arocha also has 14
Imbo
now.
with a
Imbo has
cross-court shot.
15.
That's the personal duel against the top players of their respective schools. Look at an underhand kneeling pass for Gual over the blockers. Cindy Imbo seems to have the second win after a slow start. Right now, not a 32-point performance, but enough to put her team 4 na puntos na kalamangan laban sa Arellano.
Pero Tiao, very shaky
Gaviola with a
passing
block.
by Arellano at inabangan ni Gaviola yung atake. At 5 na ang lamang ng Perpetual Lady Altas. At relax na relax itong si Chin Gual.
Hindi makakaset ng maayos sa
Service
Berechao
umano.
kung yung first ball mabula. 8-7, and since that time, it's been an 8-2 blast here in the fourth set. Pabor sa Lady Altas.
Belio,
Net touch for
nakaswerte doon yung
Perpetual.
Arellano Lady
Point
Chiefs.
Kasi
goes
out
to
yung palo.
Arellano.
Out kasi.
11
Oo.
serving 15.
And this is a make or break situation para dito sa Arellano. Kung madidelay nila makarating sa 16 points itong Lady Altas at makadikit, this will put a little pressure on the Lady Altas.
Ito yung atake ni Gaviola. Tiao. Ebuen. Imbo, papalo.
Nasa ilalim siya ng bola pero may check
Ball
ball.
touch called on Arellano. Point for Perpetual.
16 points para kay Cindy
Second
Imbo.
technical timeout. Perpetual 16.
Dehado ang Arellano
11.
Lady Chiefs sa puntong ito. They are down by 5. Game number 2 ng finals sa men's at women's division mapapanood February 8. Dito pa rin sa Phil Oil Flying V Center sa lungsod ng San Juan. Pero 1:30, magkakaroon po tayo ng individual awarding ceremony. Kaya naman ating coverage ay magsisimula 1:30 p.m. sa SNA.
That'll be next Friday, correct?
Yes, Coach.
Tama, oo.
O si Keith Pito, nandito. Point guard ng Perpetual Altas.
Pero nag-react
Angelo
yung Max.
Castillo serving.
Tama naman.
Service ace.
Castillo, the backup setter.
She was also instrumental
Timeout,
dun sa second
Arellano.
set na panalo nila. And Coach Mac has been pushing the right buttons right now. Under siege, under duress, ang Lady Chiefs.
Dito tayo, nakapasa tayo rito. Sinerve niya yung bola, kung kailan patawid na yung bola, saka tayo mag-a-adjust. Hindi ba pwedeng pag-serve niya, pag-contact pa lang, magbasa na tayo kung anong gagawin natin. Hindi talaga tayo makakapuntos dyan. Ayaw niya nang lumisib eh. Hindi pa naman tapos yung laro eh. Bakit ayaw kayo?
Coach Obet Javier, ang kanyang kartada bilang head coach ng Arellano since season 91. 40 wins, only 5 losses. This might be the 6th loss.
Angelo Castillo
Coach Obet.
serving for the Lady Altas.
Chin Gual, napakaganda ng kanyang pinakita dito sa game number 1. Arellano nahihirapan mag-receive ng maayos. Imbo, papalo. Berechao. Ebuen. Castillo back set para kay Versosa. Ebuen. Yan ang kailangan ng Arellano.
Last touch,
I remember that
Perpetual.
name because that
Point goes
has
to
been
Arellano.
on and off.
12
Hindi naman missing link,
17.
rather missing. At times, she has been present, but they need more of Ebuen if they're to come back and eventually win this match.
Serving Princess
6
Bello.
points, ang highest na hinahabol nila, na ibaba nila sa 5 ngayon. They're still down 17-12.
Versosa over the net. Berechao. Ebuen. Nadepensa ni Imbo at Gaviola. Castillo drop ball. Berechao. 1-inch.
1-inch. With a
1H
quick
was the
play.
best player para sa Arellano dun sa unang set na panalo nila. Look at the sequence, better floor defense, Berechao locates and activates. Micaela Wanic. Straight points, down by 6. Now behind by 4.
Arellano trying to show their version of a comeback.
Imbo off the block.
Pero syempre, Cindy Imbo. At sa lagay na to, hindi pa umu-all out Coach Ronnie si Cindy.
Kasi malaki tulong eh.
For the
Napakalaking
serve,
tulong. Ang
Cindy
daming
Imbo.
tumutulong sa kanya. 5-point lead at this stage of the set. This part of the match. At this part of the match, napakalaking plus factor ito para sa kanila. Hopefully they can hold on.
Pero Sosa. Pero Tiao. Ngayon, karamihan sa mga sets na pupunta kay Nicole.
Held ball called on Perpetual. Point for Arellano.
Tignan natin yung pwesto kung nasaan sila. Kanina, nasa back row si Regine Arocha. Ngayon, nasa front line na siya. Together with Micaela Wanic. Si Ebuen ngayon, na magsaserve, mapupunta sa back line. Ooh.
Almost a service ace but saved by Versosa. Oh!
Four
That could be
touches
the
for
turning point of this set.
Arellano.
Kasi kung titignan mo, puntos na ito
Leads the set by 5 points.
ng Arellano. Pero naibalik na naman. And then on the return play, look at this mistake. Nabuhok na lang
Serving
ang margin
Jenny
for error
Gabriela.
para dito sa Lady Chiefs because Altos are now at 19 points.
Pero Tiao. Arocha. Imbo. Versosa.
Block goes
Good
in.
net defense by Arocha.
Point for
Miscommunication
Arellano.
between Suico and Imbo. You can see sa reaction ni Cindy Imbo. Napangiwi siya.
Substitution Arellano.
Arocha,
14 out, 17 Daisog
I believe
in.
is a
16 out,
a
15
double-digit
Donato
count in
back
terms
in.
of blocks. Ito sa ating competition. So double check natin yan. He has 11 to be exact.
Alia Daisog
And you can see
serving.
that is an illustration on how he's able to help out their net defense na hindi masyadong gumagana so far in this match.
Versosa.
Sosa off the block.
Ibabaw na ibabaw sa bola.
Siya yung nakasave kanina.
Substitution
Ngayon naman,
Perpetual. 6 out,
power
9
hit by
Gual
Joey
back in.
Versosa. At ito,
5
nakapagpahinga
out,
na
8
mabuti si
Gosal
Chin
back
Chin
in.
Gual. So you have a very fresh Chin Chin Gual coming into the match kung saan 5 puntos na lang ang kailangan ng Perpetual para
Serving
makamit
May Gual.
ang game number 1 ng finals.
Kaya natin, natalo pa sa unang set ang Lady Altas. Ha? They won the last 2 sets. Needing only 5 more points to beat itong repeat-seeking Lady Chiefs.
A net touch is called on Arellano.
And right now, parang
21
hindi
to 15
makapaniwala
in
yung
favor
Arellano
of
crowd.
Perpetual.
Tumahimik sila.
Stunned,
Time
no,
out,
stunned is the right
Arellano.
word to describe itong supporters ng Lady Chiefs.
Kumano si Rosal, di ba? So bakit nag-isang block lang si Amay? Di ba naman Amay, mag-isa ka na lang. Nakahawakan mo ba yung net? Hindi mo alam na nahawakan mo yung net, Amay? Hindi mo alam? Ikaw lang mag-isa yung nag-block sa sa gitna eh. Yung sinasabi ko, Amay, wala yung utak mo sa game. Hindi pwede championship to tapos para ka na naglalakbay sa Batanes.
Si Amay, si Carla Donato. Yun yung tawag sa kanya ng kanyang mga kampe, ni Coach Obet Javier. Pero maganda ang pinakita ni Donato, lalo na nung first set.
Correct.
At
Doon sila umalagwa
Service, Miguel.
sa kanilang middle hitters.
kailangan bumalik ng laro nitong si Donato at Micaela Wanic.
Arocha off
Middle
the hands of
blockers.
Suico.
Rocha nakapuntos doon.
Nearing the 20-point mark. Whatever happens in this match, our game number 2, sabi nga ni teammate Anton
Serving
kanina.
team captain
Next
Sara
Friday.
Berishao.
It's Friday.
So that's a full 7
February
days
8.
of preparation for the second game of the series.
Drop ball para kay
Suico
Suico.
with a draw. Perpetual 22,
Dapat
Arellano
may award din itong si
16.
Suico eh.
Ano?
Yung You Never Saw Me Coming award.
Sneaky. You have Suico, you have Umandal.
Serving.
Wala
Hannah
silang
Suico.
scouting
You have
report sa
Rosal.
kanila, coach eh.
Kinayod din si Hindi Imbo yung nakaraan.
Yun nga eh. Eh ang Arellano,
Service error.
sanay na makalaban ng isang team na merong superstar player. They've dealt with Gretzel Soltones, Cheska Rakrakin, and Isa Viray. Talagang mga matitinding ace spikers. Pero ngayon, itong Perpetual, hindi lang si Cindy Imbo eh. May Umandal, si Versosa, quality minutes.
Sakto. Nakalimutan kong banggitin si Versosa. Oh my goodness.
Serve goes out.
That has been the time of the day for the Lady
23-17
Chiefs.
in favor of Perpetual.
Ulitin natin, last year they swept San Beda University in the finals.
And they also swept San Sebastian the year before in 3 games.
Right.
Kasi thrice to beat.
And they swept San Beda
Umandal.
University once again in the semis encounter just a few days ago, or a week ago. Palitan ng service
Service
errors.
Substitution, Arellano, 17 out, 14, 1 inch
Talagang,
back in.
Tulala eh, yung Arellano faithful, Coach Ronnie.
This is not
Kanina-
really what they expected. Oh.
Kanina
Carla
nag-wave-wave
Donato
pa
for
sila eh.
serve.
Ginagalaw yung mga lobo. Ngayon, nakaupo. At hindi makapaniwala na ang two-time
Imbo,
defending
off the
champions,
block.
Arellano Lady Chiefs,
Perpetual
ay
now at
matatalo
match
dito sa
point.
game number 1. Unless, of course, a miracle happens. Dahil nasa match point na ang Lady Altas, 24-18.
Serving for
Their
the match, Jonna Rosal.
Encounter, Wall was only good for 7% of her total sets, compared to about
1 inch
17%
into
for
the
Sara
block.
Princess Bertiao. 13 of
Timeout,
142.
Perpetual.
Si Gual, 25 of 143. Si Bertiao, but not today. 5 set points hawak dito ng Lady Altas.
Cindy! Meron chow! Cindy! Huwag ka ma-excite! Isang hampas na lang! Ha? Dito, papalo! Takbo! 5. Paluin na yung agad kahit ibigay sa'yo. Cindy, isa na lang. Hindi natin magagawa yan kung hindi natin mapasahan. Alas mo!
Alam mo na kung saan pupunta ang bola.
Kanino kaya?
Binanggit na ni Coach Maki Carino.
Yep, clear as day.
Parang naging mas
Serving,
nakakatakot na
Princess
kalaban
Bella.
ng Perpetual dito sa finals.
Oo, nung tumindi yung paniniwala sa sarili. Uy,
Tsaka sa lagay na to, hindi pa talaga gumagawa si
Block
Cindy
goes in.
Imbo.
Point goes to Arellano. 20
Hindi
serving
pa ito yung
24.
mamaw game ni Cindy.
the first of 5 set points.
Princess
Or
Bella
rather,
for the
the
serve.
first, second of 6 set points saved kay Arellano.
Nakatayo na yung mga estudyante ng Perpetual. Inaabangan na yung huling puntos. Ebuen, papalo. Sanggalang. Gual. Imbo. Hindi pa tapos. Ebuen, sumobra.
Ball goes out.
At
Set
makakabit
number 4
ng
goes to
Perpetual Lady
Perpetual.
Altas ang game number 1
25 to
ng
20.
finals. Dito sa season 94 ng
University
NCAA.
Perpetual System Delta Lady Altas for winning Game 1 of the Best of 3 Championship Series in 4 sets. 21 to
Tagumpay
25, 25 to
para sa
17,
Perpetual.
25 to 21, and
Ayan po ang
25 to
ating
20.
Final set scoring. 21 to 25, 25-17, 25-21, 25-20 pabor para sa University of Perpetual Health System Delta. And a masterful performance para kay Chin Chin Gual. Siya nagbigay ng buhay sa Lady Altas at Talagang sinigurado niya na magiging maganda ang laro ng kanyang mga kakampi. Nin Suico, Shai Umandal, Joy Versosa, Jonah Rosal, at syempre si Cindy Imbo. Shinjin Gual, isa sa mga graduating players ng Perpetual. Masayang masaya sa kanilang panalo dito sa game number 1. Coach Ronnie, sinabi mo nga, isang buong linggo mag-e-ensayo ang dalawang kupunan na ito, pati na rin yung mga kupunan sa men's finals bago ang game number 2 sa darating na February 8.
Pwede kang malungkot, pero hindi pwedeng masyadong matagal because you have to prepare. It's going to be sink or swim situation for the teams that lost game 1 of the finals, but they have a chance to regroup and send the series, both of the series, into a deciding match a week from now. And that is everything on the line para dito sa Lady Chiefs. And of course, the CSB Blazers as the Lady Altas ng men and women's team have a 1-game advantage in this best of 3 finals.
At dyan po nagtatapos ang game number 1. Nagtagumpay ang number 4 ranked Perpetual Lady Altas kontra sa 2-time defending champions Arellano Lady Chiefs, 3-1, and are now 1 win away from the championship dito sa NCAA. Sa ngalan ni Direk Abet Ramos, Siege Tantenko, our executive producer Vic Caridad, and my partner Coach Ronnie Magsanok, ako po si Anton Rojas, nagpapasalamat sa inyo panonood. At magkita-kita muli tayo sa February 8 para sa Game 2 ng finals dito sa Season 94 ng NCAA.